In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open multiple Telegram accounts. If you want to use more than one Telegram account on the same device, the good news is that Telegram makes this very simple. This is useful if you want to keep personal and work chats separate, manage different communities, or just stay more organized without constantly logging in and out. In this guide, I'll walk you through the easiest way to add another Telegram account directly inside the official app. Start by opening the official Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're using the real Telegram application, since account management features are built directly into it and work smoothly there. Once the app is open, go to the main menu area. If you're using Android, tap the menu icon in the top corner. If you're on iPhone, tap Settings. The layout looks a little different depending on your device, but the goal is the same. You want to get to your account options. From there, tap your profile name at the top of the screen. This opens the section where Telegram shows your current account and gives you the option to manage additional ones. If you don't see it right away, just look near the top of the app where your current account information is displayed. Next, tap Add Account. This tells Telegram that you want to connect another phone number without removing the one you're already using. That's what makes this method so convenient. You can keep your existing account active and add a second one alongside it. Now enter the new phone number you want to use for the additional Telegram account. Be sure to type it carefully and include the correct country code if Telegram asks for it. This phone number needs to be one that can receive the verification message. After entering the number, tap Next. Telegram will then send a verification code to that phone number. When you receive the code, type it into the app to confirm the account. This verification step is important because it proves that you have access to that number and are authorized to use it. Once the code is accepted, the new account will be added to Telegram. At that point, you'll be able to use multiple accounts in the same app without signing out of your original one. You can switch between accounts anytime inside Telegram, which makes managing separate conversations much easier. Just return to your account section and choose the account you want to use. And that's it. That's the easiest way to open multiple Telegram accounts.